Asalo una woman demo, asalo una woman for all over the world. Asalo una for whichever place una dey. Whether una dey na for farm, or una dey for market, or una dey for house to look up pikin them, or una dey for work, or una dey for motor to go some place. Asalo una welcome for my take. My name na Gina F. Today I want to talk about uniqueness. Where me say no two people dey the same, and no two people not fit be the same in any situation, in any way, shape or form. No two people not be created the same. Whether they born at the same day, the same time, by the same mommy, by the same papa, they not fit be the same. We are all created different because we all get different purposes in this life. Yes, I dey talk this uniqueness today so because I want to say my sister the more we focus on ourselves, more we stop for being confused, because sometimes I say we don't confuse who want me. We see A today, if fine for I, one be like A. We see B today, if fine for I, one be like C. Or we see D, you do the thing where you do, and so one do the same thing. Or we see Z, you do the thing, so one do the same thing. We cannot all do the same thing in life. We cannot all look the same. If God be one way, all we do the same, all we do the same work, all we do the same business, all we live for the same kind of house, all we live for the same kind of car. Why they make different things then? When I check them now, why make different things then? It make everybody different because in one way we all come for grow and bring out that uniqueness in us for better this world. The world is beautiful. No matter say a place outside it. Place they beautiful because everybody get that different character, different way of doing things, different way of shape, different body shape, different hairstyle, different all things different. Now that difference it make the world beautiful. So if we want excel for life, my sister, then we get for take yourself. She don't find. Take time, meditate, think, and find out who will really be. Because until we know who we really be, we will not know where would you go. Yes, I talk. We get for take time for understand our own uniqueness, our unique character, our unique way of learning, our unique way of working, our unique way of talking, our unique way of doing things. Once we group all those uniqueness, now that time we feel know who would you go, and now if he help we for make sure some more learn the things and do the things the way they go, bring out that uniqueness to the world. Before we go excel. May I want to say my sister, the more we stop for see what the A they do, B they do, now we want to C do, D do, now we want to in the same business, we want to do the same business. If not the same this one, we want to do the same this one. If na baby Bobby, then get up one baby Bobby. If they get small buttocks, one small buttocks. If they get big buttocks tomorrow, one big buttocks. Why would you confuse yourself? I want just back with my sister and say, more we stop for be confused yourself. Try for be like A, try for be like C, try for be like D. We are not created the same. Even they will also do fingerprint them. Just look at even on a hand them. Each finger get on different prints. No one of you repeat the other print for another person. Will not fit take another man in place for this world. Will not put her for head. Will not fit take another man in place for this world. Because even if that person come up for that place, give it that place, we can never do the same that that person be doing. Because we are all unique. Every person gets a way they do things and now the way God create we. Some will do things then differently for enjoy this world when we come there so. So my sister then, rather than for we for spend time for the big hypercritical or try for be what you didn't want be or try for say you want to know for do the thing fine. Person nothing know for do something fine because he not be like feel that way good that. But you know me say no will be do fine for another something. Yes. If you find yourself you're there for some situation where you see things in the work of them, maybe that is not where you are supposed to be. Change, my sister. Start something else. So I want beg una say, may we take time for learn, look our own self, understand our own self, so that we fit do things the way that will help for move we forward for life. Because again, no two people are the same, and no two people can ever be the same in this world, no matter what. So mo stop for try for do what A to do, or do to C to do, or be like A, or be like C, or do like this. Mo stop that thing. It could be better for we, that's my take, for understand our own self and move forward to do the things that we know we are good at, because there is no other way to excel than to do what you are good at doing it. So my sister, then, if una no don't take time for una life or figure out on herself, I beg una she done back, take some couple days, assess yourself in all different aspects, from the learning, how you did learn, how you did talk, which way you like, which way you not like, which way you feel like good and which way be like wrong. Assess your entire self and come up with a map plan for which way you feel be for your future, if you are not yet there on where you want to be, and you will see the future will be yours. So no two people not they the same. Una know so. Una love una uniqueness and make use of una uniqueness. I love una. I love una. God bless una. Bye.